Hey everyone, I'm so excited to have you here. In this video, I'll take you on a journey through the process of creating an anime story using various AI tools. From brainstorming the concept to bringing characters to life with animation, I'll guide you through each step. This video will help you unlock new creative possibilities. And let's dive into the world of AI-generated anime magic. The first step in creating an anime is crafting a compelling story, and for that, we'll use ChatGPT. Simply enter your prompt, and ChatGPT will generate a story that perfectly matches your mood and vision. Whether you want an action-packed adventure, a heartwarming tale, or a fantasy-filled journey, AI can help bring your ideas to life. So, let's start by creating the perfect story. Now, let's move on to the second step, generating stunning anime images using Leonardo.AI. First, select an anime model and style that fits your vision. Then, set the dimensions for your artwork. Once that's done, copy your prompt, hit enter, and within seconds, Leonardo.AI will generate a set of high-quality images for you. The best part? It's a free AI tool with daily credits, making it accessible for everyone. Now it's time for the third step, bringing our images to life by turning them into an anime-style video. To do this, we'll be using two powerful AI tools, Vidu.AI and Hailuo.AI. Let's start with Vidu.AI. This tool makes video generation quick and effortless. Simply upload the images you've created, enter the image prompt, and press Create. Within seconds, Vidu.AI will generate a smooth, animated video. Next, we have Hailuo.AI. The process here is just as simple. Upload your image, and Hailuo.AI will automatically begin generating your video. Unlike Vidu.AI, this tool takes a few minutes to complete, but the results are stunning. Once your animation is ready, preview and download it. Now, let's create the perfect voiceover for our anime story. Using ChatGPT, generate a script for each scene, customizing the tone and style to match your story. Record it yourself or use AI voice tools for a professional touch. Now it's time for the fifth step, bringing our story to life with voice. For this, we'll use ElevenLabs.AI. Start by selecting the text-to-speech option. This powerful AI tool offers a variety of voice options to match your anime's tone and style, all for free. Simply enter your script, adjust the settings to fine-tune the voice, and let ElevenLabs generate a high-quality voiceover for your story. Now for the final step, editing everything together in Canva. Start by uploading all your generated video clips and arranging them scene by scene. Adjust them to fit perfectly within the video frame. Next, add your voiceover to each scene, ensuring smooth transitions for a seamless flow. To enhance your anime, include background music that matches the mood of your story. You can also explore Canva's additional features like effects, text overlays, and animations to give your video a professional touch. Once everything is set, preview your final creation. And our anime story is ready. From script to animation, AI made it all possible. Now, here's the first look at our anime.
In a quiet park, an old man folded cranes, each holding a memory. One day, a curious girl picked up a crane and asked, "Why do you fold these?" Kenji and Taro ran through golden fields, dreaming of flight. "We'll soar like cranes," Taro laughed. But life had other plans. Kenji ran as his friend waved goodbye, but the train moved faster. A lone crane fell, lost forever. Since then, Kenji folded cranes, wishes, memories, hopes on the wind. The girl tried folding a crane. Kenji helped. Soon, the park bloomed with hope. One day, the wind brought an old man with a worn crane. Kenji looked up. Taro was home. Two friends folded cranes at sunset. The wind carried them away, whispering, hope, love, and memories return.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.